Nicole Cook with Denison Yachting. We are here in Miami, Florida, where it's 100 days until summer, and we're always fortunate to be enjoying the South Florida weather. Before getting started with today's walkthrough, I want to go through some key features and notable upgrades that have happened in the recent years. First, Burger, USA built with an amazing pedigree, making both classic elegance and innovative features. Known for their exceptional quality, craftsmanship, and reputation for seaworthiness. And that is what you are going to get with SIMARON. In 2023, the vessel went through a refit. All hydraulics on board have been refit. MTU engines fully rebuilt to 0 hours with a full 1-year MTU warranty. Electronics upgraded to Garmin, and the Furno radar was completely rebuilt. In the interior, the salon refit with fresh carpet, new settee, games table chairs, and other notable features you will see in today's walkthrough. We are going to start today's walkthrough up top on the Flybridge. Starting on the Flybridge allows me to show you this beautifully crafted flush deck with a fully open stocked galley concept. One of the best 85-foot Flybridges of any build I have seen of this size. This is where the core of the entertainment and relaxation begins. To have the ability to build a boat with everything you require in an 85-foot is a chef's kiss to Burger and their incredible craftsmanship. There are multiple different areas to go over in the Flybridge with both working and entertainment spaces. First, you notice the hardtop that has a beautiful shape with an awning for shade. Starting aft, you have a davit for the Nautica tender and the safety equipment that is hidden nicely in plain sight for easy access. You have dining for up to 8 guests, bench seating, and 3 wooden chairs. Forward of that is a beautiful U-shaped bar with 3 stainless steel swivel bar stools. The bar is equipped with fridge, dishwasher, an ice maker, and wine cooler. To the side of the bar, you have plenty of storage for service, and off to port side is equipped with a barbecue top and sink. To the port side, you have a bench seating that continues off the dining area, forward to where the bench can change into a lounger for both port and starboard side, allowing you to enjoy maximum relaxation with views to enjoy the scenery while underway or at anchor from all seating points. Forward on both starboard and port, you have 2 bench seats that are parallel to the helm. The helm has a center captain's chair and 2 helm stations on either side for assistance while docking. Forward starboard of the Flybridge, you have stairs that lead down to the Wheelhouse. Coming down into the Wheelhouse, I absolutely love this space. There is a beautifully raised seating area, so guests or crew can enjoy coffee or drink while underway or socializing with the captain. This is just a great space for this size of vessel. Forward, you will notice access to the crew. That goes down to a long deck and includes accommodations for 2 cabins for up to 3 crew members with an ensuite head. This is where the washer and dryer will be found on board, allowing the crew to keep everything out of sight of the guests. Entering back into the Wheelhouse, both to starboard and port, you have direct access to the bow. On the bow, you have your ground tackle to starboard and port with a forward bench seating. Unique features for this Burger is 2 independent windlass systems, both including stainless steel anchors and stainless steel anchor pockets, just adding to the vessel's outstanding pedigree. Looking aft, you have another long bench for seating. This area allows you to tuck in and enjoy the air while underway or have a private moment. Entering aft onto the Wheelhouse into the salon, you're first welcomed by the day head to starboard side in center of the main deck for easy access from all points of the boat. Aft of the day head, you will find a bar top starboard side with an ice maker and a wine fridge. Going port side, you have access to an open galley that is fully equipped with a U-shaped marble finish, a full-size American fridge, dishwasher, stove, trash compactor, with a classic look and a great natural lighting. The galley also doubles as a bar if desired to place bar stools on the salon side for further dining or refreshments. Down below the main deck, you enter onto the guest foyer, where you have access to all 3 cabins. Entering through a beautifully crafted wood French doors, we come into a full beam master cabin that is equipped with centerline king bed. Off to port side, you have a beautifully crafted vanity, Starboard and port his and her heads, with starboard head featuring a beautiful marble shower. There is tons and tons of storage in this master cabin. Countless drawer storage to port and starboard, as well as drawers underneath the berth. There are 2 walk-in cedar closets, a fridge, a TV, and the best feature, the original commissioned oil painting featuring Cimarron herself above the king berth, which is just a nice personal touch and testament to Cimarron's joy that she brings to life. Back to the foyer port side has the VP cabin with a queen berth, ensuite head, TV, and cedar-lined closet. Starboard cabin is equipped with 2 single berths, TV, closet, and an ensuite head. The salon has a really great feel for the space that Cimarron has to offer. The updated look that holds both modern and timeless touches with her wood paneling, leather overheads, large windows that allow that natural light to soak in is just a classic open space. You have a center round dining table that seats 6 guests comfortably. There are large, elegant wood storage hutches found on both starboard and port for service. The large settee with a great lounging area for when you are watching a movie with a pop-up TV is just a great use of the space. Opposite of the settee, that is a focal point, is your games table and chairs set up for 2, right up against the large salon windows, allowing you to sit and play or sit back and enjoy the view. To the aft, you have these beautifully crafted French doors that open to the aft cockpit area. In the cockpit, you will find an aft table with bench seating for up to 6 guests. You will notice on the main deck, you have a beautifully varnished cap rail that complements the classic burger look. There are 4 boarding points, 2 to starboard and 2 to port. 1 is midship and 1 can be found aft with staircase access while boarding. The hydraulic passerelle can be accessed through the aft port side of the cockpit. Going down the teak steps to the teak finished swim platform, you have access to the engine room, swim ladder, and plenty of room for tender pickups. Entering into the beautifully oversized engine room, you are greeted off port side with electrical panels, the Atlas system, and in front of the port engine is the air conditioning plant. Starboard aft, you will find the battery control systems, handy sink, air compressor, and in front of the starboard engine is the water maker, hydraulic pumps, and another electrical control box. Cimarron is equipped with these 2 twin MTU 12V 2000 M90 series. Again, these were rebuilt down to 0 hours and the MTU certified for 1 year. Cimarron holds 5,270 gallons of diesel in 3 tanks, with a cruising speed of 18 knots, with a max speed of 25 knots, and a nautical range of 2,630 nautical miles at 10 knots with generators. When you look on board Cimarron, you can tell that this vessel has been well maintained, cherished, and is ready to cruise into her next adventure. Nicole Cook with Denison Yachting, and thank you for joining me on board the classic 1999 85-foot burger Cimarron. If you have any questions or would like to receive additional information, please feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to have you step on board Cimarron.